Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to open the settings and now let's scroll down to find the security. Now we have to scroll down again to find encryption and credentials. As you can see, it will be almost at the very bottom. And now at the very bottom, this time we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap on OK to confirm. And as you can see, the credential search has been erased successfully. What's more, this option is inactive, which is the evidence that we really removed all the certificates. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to remove certificates in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.